not counting this, it's my one breath intro. Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning into Project Minibus, episode number 5 here. In this video, we are going to take it on a cruise around the neighborhood and see how it handles and just have a lot of fun with it. And then stay tuned to the end of this video and we are going to show you, tell you what's in the next video. This video is backdated with the missing panels of the minibus. It'll look a lot different in my next video. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Check out how wobbly it is, and I'm only going about 9 miles per hour. If you like this beat, give me a thumbs up. Like it. That big wobble was unintentional.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
Who's that girl? Okay, bringing it back. Let's see how it turns that corner. Woo! Look how it just swoops around that corner. And sounds just like a Tesla. Electric brake and Flintstone style foot stop combo.
How did it feel?
Thrilling. Now hop in the back. Oh, that was amazing.
Show us a 360.
Since this video has been taken, I've switched out the bushings in the trucks 3 times, and doing so, I've made the ride a lot more stable and less wobbly. You can see it's pretty wobbly, turns a little too sharp, and I don't want to tip over. With the harder bushings, I've been able to double my speed, and I can actually go faster than the ice cream truck without melting ice cream and not tipping over. And Gus, like Project Minibus. Jacques and Gus, subscribe to Project Minibus. As you can see, it is quite maneuverable. If you listen closely, you might hear that it makes creaking noises like a sailboat. Speaking of sailboats, I will say the first few times I rode it, I did get a little seasick.
Getting seasick?
No, not this time. I even hit up a few of those drive-by birthday parties. Whoa, look at that blondie. Ooh, I like that. There's room for her in the bus. That's the boombox in the back. That's the boombox in the back. And here, I'm coming back from a very long ride. So I know it's already September and I have a lot of catching up to do, but in the next video, I'm gonna show you how we decked it out on the 4th of July, and I'll do a little day in the life of the minibus on the 4th of July.